Mixing Angle and Level Finder with Laser Distance Meter into one amazing device. With excellent precision, this product totally changes the way you measure. Let me introduce the QUBE, 3-in-1 Smart Multi-Measurer for your DIY kit. The QUBE offers key features such as Angle Finder and Level Finder to help you breeze through any challenges with outstanding accuracy. Using the Angle Finder to help you get a perfect edge on your baseboard and making sure everything is spot on with your projects. And the Level Finder, it's extremely handy to find the perfect balance for precise alignment. It's not just angle and leveling in the QUBE, it also comes with a laser distance meter that has unmatched accuracy. No tool changes are needed. With the blink of an eye, the QUBE can measure up to 164 feet, despite its size. And let's not forget the green laser. It's been upgraded with Magpie Text technology, improving the visibility of the laser and power efficiency. It delivers top-notch accuracy and performance in a compact design. Or just leave it on any metal surface, however you like. Pairing it with the rotating screen makes it easy to check and adjust measurements from any angle. And don't worry, the QUBE is bright enough to use in both daylight and darkness. So, what's the QUBE? It's a multi-tool with 3 key measuring features, including dust and water resistance. This pocket-sized go-to gadget can surely change the way you measure. Enjoy the process and get perfect measurements. The QUBE, 3-in-1 Smart Multi-Measurer.